So
Wait, what about
today
the
is Friday and we're planning to go to the beach. So see you guys there. Why are you guys wearing brown?
We have most friends. We like each other. You are the friend we are gonna kill.
I'm vlogging, bruh.
Hi guys. It's my room.
Then you have to video for your channel. Okay.
It doesn't
A
matter.
mini beach day.
You know the vibes. See you guys on the OOTD. We are vlogging. Say hi, Grace. Sorry, I was busy, but I missed you. It's Sasha's song. I also heard it from that girl. I heard it from Sasha child. Sasha listens to music that Tina listens to. I don't know why.
Cause it's beautiful people music. You guys listen to what do you guys want to listen to?
What is the guy? What is our guy? What the music video? Me and you were supposed to be in it.
That guy there. So there was a taxi guy that used to take me to school. Like used to take my mom actually. Yeah, this is not the right time to be calling.
So that's her. Who's calling you? The beach vibes. We are at the beach. But the people didn't see my outfit of the day.
Snap your outfit of the
Snap me, man. It's so beautiful.
Come, guys. Outfit of the day for my girl.
You don't vlog like that for YouTube.
Make it tilted
like this.
The YouTuber spoke. Sorry.
Yes, child.
Outfit of the day, child, girl. Who are you, baby?
We are at the beach. It's so quiet and there's literally no one.
You must please edit that sound out. That sounds hella racist. Please.
You like things, you child. Let's go. Tina, please. You give me a ticket on YouTube.
You will not get a ticket for talking about black people.
I will.
If you were white, huh?
Actually, this girl.
Please edit
You man, Oh, it looks so pretty. So we are on our way to the toilet. At the Strand Hotel. At the Strand Hotel, whatever.
The sign of Strand Hotel.
Yeah, bruh. Alma. My aunties, bruh, every time they are coming to Sogo. Yeah, I'll never. So guys, you are not trying to act cool.
Guys, sorry, but it's already here. Because my body is so loose.
Ooh. On your left. You'll laugh at you guys if you're chased out. I was taking pics, bruh. So we are done taking pics. Yeah, bruh.
I'm sure it's not expensive, bruh.
It's not. It was 120 everything together. So yes, child. How long's the way to?
I also want pictures outside at the beach, right?
We are at the beach, Linda.
Like in the ocean.
Huh? This got a mini jetty or what? What do you call it? Cause
That's in the cold guys.
wait,
No, it's not in the
this is such a weird vlog, but okay. It's so pretty here.
Can you please stop vlogging?
How do I look at
Tina, let's go ask how much the ice cream is, but please put away that thingy.
Hi, Macy. I'll buy just the ice cream. Thank you.
Let's go buy. Which flavor do you want, Linda?
What flavor is there?
I see chocolate and vanilla.
I want that one. Yeah, I want chocolate and vanilla together.
Let's go as we go by because Tina is clearly still. Can we please have ice cream? Three. We're with her, yes.
Okay. Maybe met toe maak dat hulle daar kry. Chocolate mixed.
Yes, mixed. All three.
Oh, just consider.
Okay. It's not a boomerang. I was vlogging, obviously, so we are getting our ice cream.
Nice this vlog.
I did, but it's like kind of boring because there's really nothing we did. But it is what it is. Look at this one.
What is your name, Daddy?
She's telling me to subscribe to my channel. Come on. We're waiting for Gideon. The child isn't shy. Really?
Thank you, Alicia.
Oh, okay. Thank you. What did I say? You guys want to say something? Come on.
The girls are gonna subscribe to the channel.
They better. Hi guys, so today is Saturday. I just woke up. You guys can tell by the way I look. I don't wash my face, I didn't brush my teeth and nothing. I'm going to do that now. So today I'm going to my cousin's 21st birthday celebration. We're having it at Buddha. It's gonna be at 2. I'll look for outfits and then yeah, I'll basically take you guys along today. He said blue and what? White or black? I'll read the text again, but I'll surely take you guys with. See you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm done getting ready. Say hi, Diana. Say hi, Gangan. So yeah, I'm waiting for Bato so we get going. I'm just wearing simple, another white shirt, a jean, my only watch I own, this neckpiece from Woolies, and of course my beautiful hairstyle from Lindy Wave. And yeah, that's basically it. Look at that.
Guys, I got gems.
So yeah, we are done. Hi guys. See you guys later. Hi guys, we are at Buddha. Bato and I here. I feel like we are the first ones here.
Yeah, we are the first ones.
So let's see what we can do. I think we need to get a table name. If I ask you to name.
Should we wait for them? If I ask you to name all the things.
Oh.
How long
would it take to name yourself?
No, I read this a few days ago on
Really?
Instagram. I did.
This is such a beautiful poll.
It is Libra, which is love. I have that right on me, Faith.
Aww.
Right on me.
Yeah.
Girl.
Okay, so wait.
On top.
Can't wait. I think on top, but then they have this sign.
Oh, that's
Yeah, we can't go on top. There's inside. There's outside the sun. Let's go the last table.
Last one.
Yeah, it's actually packed today. Hello. I'm fine, thank you. Yeah, this is fine. If we are a lot, actually, we'll fit here. It's beautiful, ne? Don't say that. Hi guys. Oh, welcome back to my channel. Look at the birthday boy. Where are you going? Come back, bruh. Why are you running away, child? You guys look so cute. Talk. Aww. Aww. What are you having the steak? Wow. I'm also going for that. I think most of us are going for that. What are you going for, Kayla?
Alicia,
It's not small.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not small, Vina.
Is when.
Teka or something like that. What's her name again?
Tega.
It's Teka, ne?
Tega. She said it like Tega or Tega.
Better than anything. Yes. So yeah, I was vlogging, girl. Look how she looks, bruh. She looks cool, eh? She looks so beautiful. I love her bag, actually. I'm a sucker for bags, but
Vlogging in 3,
1, go.
so brother. Echt normal.
It's a hand.
Is this man? Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Ricardo and Kayla. These are our friends. That right there, that man right there is evangelist. That man right there is the prophet Ricky. That is
Alicia, I'm also a YouTuber.
oh, she's also a YouTuber. Go check out her. go check out her channel. Shout out. And that's Brato.
I think it can, we just don't know.
The
So
iPhones know
we are still
you.
waiting for
The
the
iPhone
food,
knows
guys.
Kayla.
We waited like for an hour.
That's the news
Already. But yeah,
Hi Claude.
See you guys. Food is finally here. What pizza is this?
Cuatro.
That's Mexican. There's
Okay,
also
say the food is finally
Mexican.
here while you are vlogging.
Yeah, it is here. I did say that.
Oh, say it again.
It's the food is finally here. Okay. Yeah, looks so good, eh?
Don't eat mushroom.
I also don't, but I'm just eating.
Mushroom smart. Majali eat. What is avocado?
Avocado is nice.
You eat avocados. She'll eat avocados.
Sinds de net af van de wereld. Ik breng de lezer maar 2 blogs.
Welcome,
Dat gaat even met geld
my
terug. Too much shower.
Honestly,
Yeah, no max shower. Dat gaat
The lowest I pizza got 155.
150. It's 155.
155.
so
That's
guys,
only 160 of it.
the large. How much is the large?
160.
So guys, we've come to the end of the video. See you guys on my next video. Thank you for tuning in.
Take out
Bye bye. Bye guys. We have come to the end. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe.